Which U.S. brand makes the Big Mac? A. Burger King. B. Wendy's. C. McDonald's. Correct answer is C. McDonald's. Next question. What fruit is used to make guacamole? A. Avocado. B. Apple. C. Banana. Correct answer is A. Avocado. Next question. Where is the Statue of Liberty? A. California. B. Texas. C. New York. Correct answer is C. New York. Next question. Which soda brand is known for Live for Now? A. Sprite. B. Pepsi. C. Dr. Pepper. Correct answer is B. Pepsi. Next question. Which U.S. state is famous for peaches? A. Florida. B. Texas. C. Georgia. Correct answer is C. Georgia. Next question. Which animal is on the California state flag? A. Lion. B. Bear. C. Eagle. Correct answer is B. Bear. Next question. Where is the purple apple found? A. China. B. Japan. C. USA. Correct answer is A. China. Next question. Which fruit has seeds on the outside? A. Strawberry. B. Kiwi. C. Cherry. Correct answer is A. Strawberry. Next question. Which fast food chain uses a redhead girl logo? A. KFC. B. Wendy's. C. Arby's. Correct answer is B. Wendy's. Next question. Which U.S. state grows the most strawberries? A. California. B. Florida. C. Oregon. Correct answer is A. California. Thanks for playing with US Brain Test.